This bricked up. That man is bricked up. Harder than a brick. Hard as steel. Hi my babies, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of the Chainsaw Man reaction series. I'm really excited to get into this. So far we got Denji. He was broke. He didn't have no body. He had missing body parts trying to pay off his debt. And then he couldn't even feed himself. And then he had this cute little demon devil dog. Whatever it was, it was so cute. Yeah, it was nice. It was really nice. What else happened? Then he turned into a demon or a devil because of his little doggy. And then he just started going crazy. He turned into this chainsaw demon, and he was just. I'm sorry. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna hop right through it. Part 2. Thank you guys for coming back. Her eyes are so pretty. And her hair. Jesus.
Denji.
That's fine. She said you could get thrown to the street if you say no to me. Ooh, breakfast sounds good. What do I eat for breakfast? Oh my god. Thank you, pretty girl. What's her name? She hasn't told me her name yet. Why is he moving like that? Really? Really? What? This man is down bad. Hold on, I gotta skip this. But this man is so down bad. What are you talking about? Oh goodness. Yes, I love her. I can't believe this. I'm in love with her. No, bro. It doesn't work like that. But we're a floaty boat. Ooh, udon is good. Now I want ramen. I'm sleepy. Oh yeah, because he has to eat blood like that? Oh, you're so cute. What? Oh, that's good nose. You bloodhound. Damn, he really is low in blood. So does he have to like start eating like pochita? Pochi. That looks like it smacks. Has his teeth always been like that? That was cute. Are they gonna be lovers? So she sees him as a pet? Right, like what's your name, pretty girl? Damn it, that's a pretty name too. This bricked up. That man is bricked up. Harder than a brick. Hard as steel. Harder than Captain America's freaking what's it called? Shield. He bricked up all day. Every time he think about it. Where'd she go? Okay. It's a nice building. Nice flag. Very correct. He do not care about no public safety. No, that's not how it works. I know Pochi's inside. I'm like, bro, just do it. Okay. Okay. You don't know how to tie a tie. Who's that? He look cool. He looks cool. Please let me go. My bad bitch, I need her. Bricked up. Sprinkle, sprinkle. He's bricked up. Why? How you ask about this girl so much? He's not answering you. What? Oh! Oh! Oh, snap. Ask about my bad bitch again, I'm beating your ass. Is that jealousy? Or he just needs to stay in his place? What? I just got here. Why? Yeah. Are you? Ping pong. She was gonna kill him. Oh, that's mad disrespectful. He's wilding for that. I'm coming back for my bad bitch. You bugging. I would have pushed him. Rock him. Do something, Denji. Pochi. Like the fuck? Oh my god. That's a real nigga, bruh. For the first time, how old is he? You think I'm giving that up because you're beating my ass? That's the bare minimum. He kicked you like 6 times in the nuts. How you standing? Oh, yo, he's kicking him in the genitalia. Yo. Oh my god. I know, like, at this point he passed out from the pain because he's like, shut up, I'll do it again. I would have bit him. He's a piece of trash.
このチンピラがですか。うちはただでさえめんどくさいのが多いんですよ。これ以上変なやつが増えたら。
舞台を作った時に言ったよね。他じゃ見ないような実験的な体制で動かしてみる。
何者なんですか。
He has Pochi's teeth. That's why his teeth look like that.
どうだ、すげえだろ。マジの話ですか。そういうの。噂半分でしか聞いたことありませんけど。
デンジ君は特別なの。だから特別な対応で扱うことになります。
You're pretty.
公安を辞職したり違反行動があった場合、デンジ君は悪魔として処分されます。
Oh, so you can't even quit.
それってどういうこと？
死ぬまで一緒に働こうってこと。
That's fine.
お前を見張るため一緒に住むことになった。
I don't want to live with you.
逃げたら殺していいって言われてるからな。
He really is getting treated like a dog.
ああ、マキマさんって悪い人なの。そう思うならマキマさんは諦めろ。お前が悪魔なら殺されないだけ感謝しろよ。俺たちはデビルハンターなんだぞ。じゃあいい人なのか？いい人に決まってる。俺の命の恩人だ。
She's Olivia Pope. Y'all watch Scandal? I don't know why I started Scandal, but it's pretty good. Everybody's very pretty in this anime with nice eyes. He's like, you hugged her? How dare you? Oh, you can't even give this to Pochita. Pochita. You just eating bread? That don't even look good. That just looks messy. Wow, wow. He's annoying like a dog too. A Terrible House Guest is the worst show. Oh no, what happened?
屋に立てこもってる。あとはデビルハンターに任せる。
A fiend is a type of demon?
隣の人を新人？
ああ、魔人って何？はあ？お前、義務教育受けてないのか？おお、受けてねえよ。人の死体を乗っ取った悪魔、それが魔人だ。
A human corpse?
それじゃ俺
Right, I was gonna say, yeah.
違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。まあ、見れば一発でわかる。
Oh. Oh,
魔
yeah.
人の人格は悪魔だ。今回はお前が殺せ。悪魔になって力を見せてみろ。それで使えるもんかどうか判断する。
Yeah, he definitely has an abnormal head. Ooh. Denji's fast.
おい、なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？
That's a waste.
俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ、すっげえ痛そうなんだわ。だから、俺もこいつみてえな魔人になってたかもしれねえからな。それでなんか楽に殺してやりたくて。
So does the devil,
魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。下にいる警察とも飲み行ったことあるけどな。奥さんとか子供を守るために命がけで仕事をしてる。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してる。
alright, man. Alright, Jamal. Calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the nine. I'm not trying to make friends with them. I just didn't feel like using my powers.
俺友達いねえもん。
Oh. Right, you're not even treating me like a friend. I'm just your
その言葉
your
覚えとくぜ。
dog. They're not gonna go into the backstory about his family being killed by a devil. I keep saying demon. They're saying devil.
本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけなのに。
What?
戦争になると血飛び散って汚れちまうからな。
You gonna keep those?
楽に殺してやったんだ。これはもらってくぜ。
Okay, respect.
よし。エッチ確認。
デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
俺もマジでやってるぜ。落ちた。
Your dream is
夢みてえないい生活してるもんな。
okay.
その言葉覚えとくぜ。俺はもう夢にゴールしちまってるからな。あいつはまだ追いかけてんだ。
What's his? Oh, security of a
風
demon.
呂も毎日入れて、いいもん食えて。
He even thinks like a dog.
近くにいてもう100点の生活なのに、なんか足りない気がする。
You need a friend.
なんかあったか？マジでマジのゴール。あいつはきっと復讐的なあれだ。あいつらは家族を守ること。マキマさんもなんかあんのか？マキマさんも。胸、揉んでみて。
Yo, respect.
とっくの昔に俺には無理だと諦めてた。
That's your dream.
今のまともな仕事してる俺なら揉めるんじゃねえか。いきなり女抱くのは俺には難しい。胸なら強い意志と行動力がありゃ揉めるんじゃ。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。そういうことだったのか。見つけたぜ、俺の本気。俺のゴール、それは胸だ。
胸だ。
おい、話聞けバカ。話
には今日からバディを組んでもらう。
Ooh, you get a buddy.
公安では小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため2人1組で行動することに。
Ooh.
ちょうどよかった。来たみたい。気をつけてね。彼女は魔人だから。おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。バディとやらはうぬか。
パワー？名前パワー？つうか魔人なの？魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？
Yes, I have so many questions. Why doesn't she have an abnormal head?
まあいいか。
Yo saw the boobs and immediately folded.
魔人は悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけど、パワーちゃんは理性が高いから早川くんの体に入れてみたんだ。
Her name's Power.
だけど公安大麻得意音
I don't believe that's her name.
結果が出せなかったらすぐにでも上の方々が解体しちゃうかもしれない。そうなったら君たちがどうなるかはわかるよね。パワーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
She has horns. They're cute. Shorty. Oh my god.
早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いをけりゃ許せ。
I'm crying. I'm
どう
crying.
やって胸を揉むかだ。
I'm crying. That's the only reason you're here.
もし民間のデビルハンターに会ったり警察官に職務質問された時は
公安大麻得意音歌でーす
って言って手帳を見せれば嫌な顔して帰っていくよ。
Okay.
全然悪魔いねえじゃん。
They just
わしは魔人の
patrol for them?
超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからの。わしの匂いで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ。
はあ？じゃあ俺たち結果出せねえじゃん。
何か聞きたいことがあったら早川くんに聞きな。彼が君たちを組ませたから。
Why did he
俺をはめやがってな。パワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして。
a hater?
なんだ。
A hater!
血の匂いじゃ。
おいおい、てめえ、どこ行け。
Oh, she's out. We out. Parkour! Parkour!
勝負じゃ勝負じゃ。戦いだ。
足早いや。
現場の封鎖と民間人の避難は完了させました。
Ooh, what is that? It's the It's the sea cucumber devil. Oh! She breathed out of her own blood. That's fire. She's crazy though. Oh, that's the end. That's the end. Hold on, I gotta pause it. Oh my god, that was the end. Oh, she's crazy. I love it. I love her so much. Oh, reminds me of somebody. Somebody is me. Yeah. The sea cucumber devil. So they're just named after random things. And how is she? How is she like a? Okay, he did say they said they were a powerful demon before a devil before they took over the corpse. So yeah, maybe that's why they're she's highly rational. Denji looks scared, but also mesmerized, and I don't know why his goal is boobs. Like he has to be like what 14? How old is Denji? Did he say? That scene where he was just kicking him in the area over and over again was by far the funniest shit I've seen in my life. Because why would he keep doing that? Like he didn't throw not near one punch, shoulder, elbow. He just kept kicking. Why would he do that? Oh my gosh. Anyway. That's it. I think that was about it. I'm upset we don't see Pochi no more. I mean, like, we see little glimpses, but I'm upset he's like not by his side. I thought we'd see more of that. And yeah, and Makima seems nice. I hope she is nice. I hope she doesn't like treat him differently when something happens or like throw him to the dogs or something horrible and tragic happens. But yeah, and also what else? Damn, I wanted to say something else. Oh man, I forgot. That bad. Okay, whatever. That's the end of the video. I'll talk to you guys another time. See you in part 3. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and your family. I'll see you in the next part. Bye.